We're here at Chibulan Paras Beach Resort. And as you can see, Andrea doesn't seem to understand chula.
What is that? Say chula.
Chula. No.
Chula.
Really gawin mo.
And as you can see, guys, there are no people, but there are the Taekwondo. They were here earlier, and they're playing a game, Dragon Tail, I guess.
Caterpillar.
Dragon Tail. Oh, Dragon Tail. So yun. So let's introduce the group.
We are Chula number 1.
Chula number 1.
Zoe.
Chula number 2. Ben. Chula number 3.
Jerjer.
Chula number 4. Chula number 5. PR. Chula number 6. Jackie.